Welcome to IEEE project 2013. The project title is Quantifying and Verifying Reachability for Access Control Networks. This project developed by startechnology and this project implemented in Java and MySQL technology. Now we will see about brief explain about this paper, this project. Um, this project mainly focus on optimize reachability on offline mode, offline mode. Yeah, here will be used ACL based quant network. That means coordinate architecture. Coordinate architecture supported to enterprise organization. That means like sales and customer department also. So here will be in your paper we propose quantifying reachability based on network configuration, mainly focused the access control list. That means permission based. So quantifying the network reachability. So here will be used dynamic NAT and dynamic BAT. So network address and port address based transactions implemented the network reachability. This is our main goal. Next, look at your paper. Give one architecture on is a coordinate architecture. It's already I told this paper. This coordinate architecture supported the enterprise organization. That's basically give the architecture example. One is and that means here different different regions contains different lands. Different lands. One is Paris, another one is New York, another one is London. So different location contains a different network. So different network interconnected to the quantum server. That means Paris is contains one network, and that the transaction the query to reachability the coordinate server. So control the network operators. This is our architecture. So network address translation and port address translation will be here will be used. Next, our approach will look at the fair one. Initially collect the information from the middle box. That means middle box are switch and firewall and gateway. So this here in the middle box sent to the some queries collect coordinate server collect from the middle box configuration files based on SNMP and the network topology also here in offline mode. So based on matrices will be created. Matrices will be check the ACL rule based like that. Here used coordinate query like coordinate query as looks like a SQL query, but not a SQL query, but it's a coordinate query. That means located and middle box related services provide the reachability queries will be here will be used on so that operation will perform different operations. Next, figure to given the network topologies. In this network topology contains different LANs and different middle box and internet. Also given the network phase, network graph based. One is different LAN. One is S1 and S2, S3 are LANs and middle box as SW, GW and FW. So it contains three middle box also in your network topology. So LANs are connected. S1, S2 are connected to the switch, and S3 and DIMM is connected to the firewall. Next SW, that means switch and firewall connected to the gateway. Gateway transmit to the internet. Internet constructs after the construct the topology model. Topology is converted to network model. So here will be S1, S2 or switch, and the switch transfer to the S6, S6 transfer to the gateway. So this is the network topology construction, the ACL rule based matrices. So here will be explain the figure to the network middle box has four subnetworks VLAN and S1, S2. I already told that, and here construct the matrix format 3 cross 8 matrices. After that the matrices applied to the some mathematical calculation to construct the FDT tree. So FDT tree for check the rules based on ACL rules is the under operations. So here F1, F2, that two tree is to perform the under operation, finally produce the result, and also can only another rule that means ACL2 F1, F2, F1, FT, F2 tree, and finally perform the OR operations to provide the result. That means Here clearly said your paper here. Two ACLs and FTP before shuffling and after shuffling and logical and OR gate produce the result also. Finally, display your result in a graph. A number of paths is to get the optimized reachability. Perform the time-based graph also provide the final result in our paper. So here used the query is your in our paper is the type of protocol and select and where is your switch and that means S ion S1 is a LAN and it is a mail server and transfer to the which protocol, that means TCP protocols. So transport control protocol here will be used two layers, data link and transport layer only used, and and then our experiment result also provide the optimized result. uh, Next finally provide the conclusion also. Conclusion satisfy the four step solutions. One is the this network, that means coordinate formulate network is maximum optimized reachability considering a connectionless and connection oriented. It's adapt to the connectionless and connection oriented, that means stateless and stateful middlebox also. And second it's network reachability matrices will be constructed. And third one is processing reachability queries, like that which protocol used, which network, which middle box to provide the passing through the queries, get the maximum optimized reachability from the coordinate server. So finally, fourth one is we implemented algorithm campus network. That means campus network means enterprise network. So the result will be shown our offline reachability. That means offline reachability to computation, practical online query processing, very efficient. So yeah. So this is our scope of the project and implementation. Optimize reachability is query based optimize reachability is mainly focus this paper. Next we